In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse a manual journal in Xero. Reversing a manual journal is a safe way to correct an error or unwind a one-off adjustment without deleting your original entry. It keeps your audit trail intact by leaving the first journal as is and creating a matching opposite journal to neutralize it. Before you begin, make sure you have permission to manage journals in your organization and that the accounting period isn't locked, as that can prevent changes. Start by opening Xero and heading to the accounting menu. This is where you'll find all of your core bookkeeping tools. From there, choose Manual Journals. This page lists every journal you or your team have created. Take a moment to locate the exact journal you want to reverse. It helps to confirm the date, narration, and amounts so you're certain you've got the right one. Reversals should be used when the original journal posted to the wrong account, wrong period, or needs to be backed out for accruals or corrections. Once you've opened the journal you want to fix, look for the Journal Options menu. This menu holds actions related to the selected journal. Choose Reverse. Xero will prepare a new journal that mirrors the original, automatically swapping debits and credits on each line. You'll notice the line items, tracking categories, and tax settings are carried over, which helps maintain accuracy. By default, Xero will propose a reversal date, often today. If your organization follows a specific cutoff or you need the impact to land in a particular reporting period, review that date carefully before moving on. When everything looks right, click Post. Posting finalizes the reversal and immediately updates your accounts and reports. You'll now see two journals, the original and the reversal, with equal and opposite amounts. Together, they net to zero, preserving a clear history of what happened and why. If your reports are open in another tab, refresh them to see the effect right away. A few quick tips as you work. Always check that the journal you're reversing is posted, not a draft, so the reversal properly offsets it. Read the narration and reference fields to ensure you're reversing the correct entry, especially if there are similar journals around the same date. If your organization uses tracking categories, verify they're consistent so the reversal lands in the same dimensions. And when in doubt, prefer reversing over deleting. Auditors and future, you will thank you for the clean trail. That's it. You've successfully reversed a manual journal in Xero, keeping your books accurate and your audit trail intact.